Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with you on IndyWX.com. Starting the day off with a few snow showers, some snow flurries across central Indiana. However, the bigger deal will arrive later on this evening. We'll go ahead and just show you our snowfall forecast. In general, across the northern half of the state, 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. Off to the south, a dusting, maybe an inch in spots, but the majority of accumulating snow will be across the northern half of the state, including Indianapolis and all the suburbs there. So with temperatures too, guys, that are in the 20s, as most of this snow is falling, mid to upper 20s, we do expect slick roads to develop across central Indiana later on this afternoon and evening. Now, this is in association with this area of upper level energy, a clipper system that will scoot across the area later on this afternoon and evening, resulting in that more widespread snow that will develop. So as we look at forecast radar, snow will begin to develop off to our southwest just after the lunchtime hour, before quickly overspreading all of central Indiana through the afternoon into the evening. And we expect a couple of moderate bursts of snow just after sunset, maybe between 8 and 10 o'clock across Indianapolis itself. So certainly, though not a big deal, an area-wide 1 to 2 inches is a good bet. There could be a couple of reports that come in later on tonight in excess of 2 inches. But I think in general, this is a 1 to 2 inch type snowfall. That system comes and goes. We close the weekend on a quiet, cold note on Sunday, and then our next storm system, this guy here, approaches early next week. That'll be the leading wave of the brutally cold Arctic air that moves in here for the midweek stretch. In general, the accumulating snow of significance with that particular system will remain to our north, but as we go into Monday, a band of precipitation will scoot through central Indiana, perhaps starting as rain before quickly changing to snow. And again, probably another light accumulation of snow. The bigger deal, though, is going to be any sort of moisture on area roadways freezing up and creating slick conditions as bitterly cold air pours in here as we go into Monday evening and on into Tuesday. And then the big story at that point just remains the cold. Dangerously cold conditions expected. And as we look at forecast wind chills, the time frame for the most concerning cold still looks to be Tuesday into Thursday. So forecast wind chills not terrible on Tuesday, keeping things into perspective here, around 0 to 10 to 15 below 0. But what comes thereafter, Tuesday night into Wednesday, when wind chill values may go lower than 30 degrees below 0 across central Indiana, potentially approaching 40 to 50 below 0 across northern portions of the state. You get the idea of how serious this cold is going to be, and that continues through the day Wednesday into Thursday morning before we begin to see a pullback of sorts from the bitterly cold, dangerously cold type levels. Looking further ahead next week, another clipper system will dive in here Thursday night and Friday. That may offer the most widespread chances of snow for central portions of the state, and we'll keep an eye on that as we go through the next few days. In the meantime, guys, get ready for that light snow event later on this afternoon. Keep those reports coming to us, and we look forward to talking with you soon on IndyWX.com.